project is related to the food-related problems that many cities are facing nowadays. I want to relink the connection that is lost between the producers and the consumers. Nowadays, vegetables are traveling around 2,400 kilometers from farm to consumers. So I believe that if we tackle this problem by teaching the people how the food they eat or they consume is made, they can be more aware of what they're consuming. The UN studio team has been very supportive, and they come around and check how are we doing. They gave us some classes and some tips about the storytelling, for example. So they showed us the projects they have been working on, and we were able to see how they work from the beginning to how they tell the story at the end. So I think it's a very good experience that we have been learning a lot.